Do you ever wish you could just store all your files in one central location without worrying about storage limits or needing to pay for expensive storage upgrades and monthly subscriptions? If you're one of the millions of business owners who pay an arm and a leg to store files with companies like Dropbox and Google Drive, and you're tired of watching your hard-earned cash go out the door every month just to pay for overpriced subscription fees, then what I'm about to share will transform the way you run your business. Because, for the first time ever, you can store, host, share, and back up all your files. And get unlimited cloud storage for life, all for a ridiculously low one-time investment, thanks to the new HostZPresso platform. Imagine finally having all of your important files in one place, so you know exactly where to find anything you need in seconds with a simple search. Imagine creating new videos or digital assets and not worrying about their size, and not needing to waste your time compressing files or freeing up storage space. Imagine keeping more of the money you work so hard to make, without paying the overpriced subscription fees that make Silicon Valley billionaires even richer. With HostZPresso, you're getting unlimited cloud storage for life, with no restrictions, no storage limits, and no subscription fees, ever. This is the future of cloud storage. Transferring your files to HostZPresso is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Locate the files you'd like to store on HostZPresso. Choose as many files as you like. There are no storage limits. Step 2. Drag and drop all files into your HostZPresso account and watch your files upload in minutes with our ultra-fast compression technology. Step 3. Access all your files from one easy central location. And minutes later, you'll be ready to cancel your Dropbox and Google Drive subscriptions for good and access all your data right from your HostZPresso account. With HostZPresso, you can get unlimited lifetime storage for a low one-time investment. Store, host, share, and back up all your files. Host videos and images on your website for lightning-fast upload speeds. Instantly share files with anyone for easy collaboration. Protect your data from advertisers and hackers with end-to-end SSL encryption. Compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows. Access your files from anywhere. All you need is internet. Skyrocket your business efficiency so you can increase your profits. Plus, HostZPresso is 100% beginner-friendly, so you won't be spending frustrating hours in front of your screen trying to figure it out. Just drag and drop your files in minutes and transform your cloud storage experience with no restrictions, no limits, and no recurring fees. You're getting all the benefits of Dropbox, Google Drive, Vimeo, and Wistia for pennies on the dollar. And it's so simple that all your files can be transferred today. Just click the Get Started Now button below to grab your HostZPresso license at a 93% discount. But hurry, licenses are limited. In order to make sure we have plenty of space on our servers, we can only offer unlimited lifetime storage to a limited number of people. Once those licenses are claimed, the doors are shut for good. Plus, to make this the easiest decision you make today, you're also fully protected by our 100% money-back guarantee. If you don't think this is every bit as good as Dropbox at a fraction of the cost, then just email our support team for an immediate refund. So if you're tired of paying overpriced subscription fees to big tech companies every month, and you want a simple solution that gives you unlimited cloud storage at an unbelievably low one-time price, then don't wait another second. Hit the Get Started Now button below this video while there's still time.